Now, how I have made over $30,000 with ClickBank affiliate marketing the previous 3 weeks, okay, using Google pay-per-click ads and new product on ClickBank. So as you can see over here, right, I have been using Google pay-per-click ads. This is one of my ClickBank channels, okay. So in this short video, I'm going to show exactly how I do it. But first of all, what kind of products I was promoting? Let me show you over here, right? Usually I promote like manifestation, self-help, info products, but just out of curiosity, because it's my passion, I also tested this product over here, as you can see. So this is basically a sleep product. It's a pillow, all right? It's a real product. It's physical product that can be delivered, shipped anywhere in the world, okay? But it's really great quality product, and that's very important, okay? Because when you're promoting products, you want to make sure it's really great product for the end consumer, right? So you can see over here, right? It's really great product. Now, how I actually do it, step by step. Let me show you over here. First of all, with Google pay-per-click ads, okay, what I do is I send traffic, eyeballs, to my landing page, okay, which is usually a quiz funnel. Now that quiz funnel has to have certain pain points, elements in order to get conversions. So from quiz, okay, funnel, I send people into the advertorial or website blog page, okay, and from there I send them to the VSL, which is called Video Sales Letter on ClickBank. So this is where people are purchasing products from, okay. So how it works, let me show you over here. Let's say, okay, I have quiz page, I send them to advertorial, and let's say I spent $500 on Google pay-per-click ads. So my expectation is to get at least investment back plus profit plus double or triple, even quadruple my money back, okay. And how this is possible? It's all by intent, having the right, as you can see over here, buyer's intent. Because if you are a beginner, maybe you have tried ClickBank before, maybe you have bought ClickBank courses and you have failed. You lost some time and money. Now, let me tell you, it's not your fault. Why? Because there is the big secret in affiliate marketing game, which is you have to understand who is your audience on a deeper emotional and also psychological level. Now, you don't have to learn all these by yourself, of course, okay? But you can see over here, buyer's intent clicks and curiosity clickers. Two different things. Two different type of people with 1000% different results. All right, because if you're promoting to people who are uninterested, who don't even know the product exists, you are not doing yourself a favor or them a favor. You're losing money, okay, you're bleeding money. But if you want to have profit in 2026 as a beginner, even if you have failed in the past, yes, it's still possible to make it happen in 2026. So as you can see, it's all about searching for people, for audiences who are already actively looking for what you have to offer, okay. Let me show an example from the manifestation product that I'm promoting, okay. You see, I'm looking for solution-seeking audiences with the right type of ad copy. They go to the second step, which is, you can see over here, Google pay-per-click ad, they click on it, they go through my quiz funnel, and then they go to the video sales letter where the sales are happening. Now, let me show the secret over here. You see, this is Google ads, entry ads, let's call it, right? People click on, we run Google ads campaigns. Now, what we do with quiz funnel is we segment and pre-qualify my traffic. What do I mean by that? You see, most beginners and most people, most gurus on ClickBank are telling you create a simple one-page site. But what they don't tell you is that you need to have the right type of words, language patterns, the right type of audience segmentation in order to get real results, real sales. Okay, you see, with our quiz funnels that we are building, we segment our buyers based on buyers' clicks, buyers' intent. Okay, we also build curiosity. It takes 30 seconds to complete, 11 questions, and pre-warms up people for the next step, which is basically pre-sell. All right, so we have mechanisms. We don't mention product name yet. Okay, so we're not mentioning any products. It's 8 minutes to read, and it's 5 points of pre-sale on that page. It's very important because psychologically it shifts person from being, let's say, in uninterested state or problem state into the solution state. It's very important, okay, because once you get this, you will be able to finally start seeing, heck, it's easy to get this kind of results. But you have to step back to get a bigger picture and someone who can help you one-on-one by hand holding you along the way. And that products I shown you before, sleeping product, it's great because ask yourself, how many people have health problems, stress, weight gain, especially diabetes, right? Because of sleeping problems, sleep apnea, snoring, all that annoying stuff that it's very costly and expensive if you go to doctors, if you do different scans, if you pay for different, I don't know, doctors, right? It takes a few $100s, if not thousands of dollars to solve that problem. While you can actually use the right type of pillow to increase or make your sleep better in this case, right? And that's why I'm promoting these kind of products, all right? Because it's backed by the science. And that's what matters. It's important, right? So when we set up our landing page correctly, you'll be able to get finally these kind of results. And this all can be done together with you and for you. As you can see, on Google, there are 14 billion searches every single day. Now let me ask you, do you think that out of 14 billion people, billion searches, okay, every single day, you can get at least 1 to 3 sales a day on ClickBank? If you have someone who can help you 20 to 30 minutes per day to set up Google ad campaign and run these profitable ads and get results, because all it takes is 3 simple steps. Okay, step 1 is we pick a profitable ClickBank offer with you. So that's done for you. Step 2 is we plug in and deploy a simple page with quiz funnel with your affiliate link where you're getting paid up to 90% in affiliate daily commissions. So that's cash in your bank account. Now, don't take my word for it, okay? Here's what happens when you step inside. You can see some of the people who are getting results with us. Okay, you can see over here, right? She's from Spain. English, it's her second language. All right, English, it's her second language, and she has been able to make over $20,000 a month in net profits with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Another person over here. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you're from, what is your age. Important is that you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day, some money to invest in yourself and actually get results, right? Because you can see ClickBank affiliate marketing, doing CPA offers, promoting different digital and physical products has enabled me to travel to almost now 70 countries. Not to brag, not to show off, but to show you what life is possible once you take this seriously and once you stop making excuses and saying, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next month, next year. No, tomorrow never comes, okay? These people took action immediately because they understand that taking action is very important, right? Now, let me ask you first of all, put a number on it, right? Let's say this system can allow you to make at least 5,000 euros or dollars a month, or maybe $10,000 per month, or even more, right? And let's say you wait 3 more months to get started. You just decided $15,000 wasn't worth your time, or even maybe even more. Okay, if it makes you over $10,000 per month, which is not a lot, it's $300 per day. Let's say $333 per day. You can make it happen in 1 or 2 sales on ClickBank, okay, with upsell take rate, of course. So you can see how this system can allow you to have daily results, passive income online with 20 to 30 minutes per day, okay? So if you're serious, if you're someone who have 30 minutes per day, if you're someone who can invest some money into yourself today as you watch this video, right, and deploy these affiliate campaigns and finally get results, maybe for yourself, maybe for your parents, maybe for your, I don't know, your spouse, your kids, I don't know, whoever, to take extra dream vacations you want to take. Go to Disneyland, go anywhere you want to go, travel somewhere nice, right? Yes, it's still doable, it's possible, as long as you're serious, as long as you're not excuse maker and not procrastinator, okay? So if you can connect with me one-on-one, there's my Instagram, my WhatsApp, yes, my personal cell phone number, email and Facebook Messenger in the description below. We can connect with me one-on-one and get it up and running, and we can deploy and launch these campaigns on Google without showing your face, without making any videos, and without you having to have any IT experience. Because affiliate marketing, it's all about psychological states, okay? Mindset shifts on paper, on web pages, to get certain results, to get conversions, and to get sales. So as you watch this video, let's make it happen.